Hey guys, welcome back. It's another beautiful day here in Arkansas at the Homestead. This weekend it was raining pretty bad, so we did some work on the inside of the house, so we're going to show you guys that. Got the sun behind me, let's get out there. So we're going to be basically doing some electrical work. We're going to be doing some framing on the bathroom wall, the bedroom wall, doing the electrical, putting all the outlets in the kitchen and the bathroom, fixing that stuff up. So we're going to take you guys through that. We're running kind of low on time to get the this place done. We want to be out here in about 7-ish months or so. So yeah, we got a lot of work to do on the inside. So we're going to try to get here every weekend to get the place done. We've been coming out and then working outside and trying to clear some of the property and stuff like that, but we need to focus more on the house and getting the inside of the house done and getting it ready and buttoned up. That's what we're going to be doing this weekend.
Can you go from both sides?
Well, to try to figure out, line it up. I mean, I can try. Let's just give her a whirl. Yeah, always wear your safety glasses. I just like to squint real tight like that. That's makes it safe.
The bad thing is we have a case of safety glasses in the shop that we can't get to because there's now a river.
Plus, they're all the way in the shop. That's like at least 100 feet away. Your fire is doing good.
Mm-hmm.
It's really warm in here.
So you get in the closet.
See how good my aim is?
We'll come around to the other side. There we go. Let's see what kind of magic you make. That's your measurement.
What do you think?
I think you got it. You made it through something.
Yeah, I think I did it actually.
Really?
Yeah. I need something to poke through there though. It's all full of sawdust.
Angle looks good. Here you go with your finger measurement. Oh, yep, it does go all the way through. I can see the light coming through.
Yeah, not bad for whatever I am.
A jack of all trades?
There we go. That's a nice way to put it. There's a big gap there.
Yeah, I see that.
Not supposed to be like that.
Does it surprise you?
No, because none of this house is supposed to be like any of this. There is nothing that I wanted to
make you feel my love.
You feel my love, babe?
All the way from over here.
Yeah, I don't like sticking my hands in the weird spot.
I was just about to start going, better watch for your shoulders.
Hey, your hand is small. You want to do this instead?
I started. My hands are smaller, but I'm a foot shorter than you. So that doesn't help. Alright, you're over.
Can you reach it yet?
Yeah.
keep pulling. I'm gonna pull. I'm gonna pull a bunch through. So keep pulling it. Yeah. Oh, hold on, I'm stuck. All right. Nice. I go hungry, I go blind.
Blah, blah. I don't want to put the light all up in your eyeballs.
Light my balls. Let's see. Can I get it? Can I get it? Can I get it? Can I get it?
Nope. Try again.
Just about that much. Story of my life.
A lot of this has my fingers in it. I need a stick. Because I keep putting my fingers.
Yeah, don't do that.
Can you get it? Can you get it? Can you get it? Nope.
Knock that one off a little bit. Must be the one you drilled.
If it was the one I drilled, it'd be closer to the bottom.
Well, I know where all the heat sucks to.
Mm-hmm.
It's in here for sure.
This closet looks so creepy when you're looking at it through here.
Don't make me get up there on a ladder. Oh, I just ran here and killed myself on it.
It almost fell back out. Yeah, you had a little bit extra.
You want to go try to pull that cable back?
Yeah. The kitchen's pigtail.
That was close. Yeah, that runs the stove, 3 outlets, and the refrigerator outlets.
Let there be light. Ta-da! Now let there be walls and doors.
Now you're asking for a lot. So the plan is frame this wall out, frame that one out, frame the door out.
Are we going to use one of those doors that we have?
I don't know.
Will one of them fit? Because, you know, might as well.
We had 2, right? We had another bigger one out there? Because I know we had one for
We have the
little
double
bathroom.
doors that we can still break apart and use as a single door. And then there was 2 single doors?
Yeah, but we need to frame all that stuff.
Do you bring it? But you could do everything.
I can do everything.
Except for find a camera when you need it.
That's what I got you for.
Hey, I only keep up with the squares, sir. Took more thought than it needed to.
Jesus, I need to take more work. Just go back to 2x4. This is the kind of stuff we're dealing with. This was an original wall here, of course, but all these, whole thing has, like, here's part of a 2x4 here, and then they come all the way up with it, and then they got these two boards just sandwiched in there. Inside the wall, yeah. Seems like it'd take more work to put it together like that than going and getting a 2x4.
They wasted more wood trying to save a trip to the store.
Yeah, exactly.
And there's a lumber store 5 miles down the road.
Yeah, here's another one here. So that has to get replaced. Look at this, like, so you see that one, and the bottom of this one, it's the same way. Like a 6-inch piece. I guess you do what you gotta do sometimes when you don't have what you need to do the job. But some things it's just easier just to get a 2x4. Phone call from your mama. Just walk away.
Walk away. How wide of a door are we gonna actually have?
See if you measure both of us for sideways.
How are we measuring both of us sideways? 24 is only there.
Bigger. 28.
Yeah. You good with that?
28 by 4 foot, 5 foot. How tall is it? So we decided we're gonna actually start doing room by room, start finishing, get all the framing, electrical done room by room. So we picked the bedroom, obviously the bathroom gotta get done, but it's kind of functioning. It's just, you know, kind of medieval caveman style bathroom right now, but it's still functioning. So we're gonna get the bedroom done. Got a frame out for the fireplace insert that goes there, the TV, door opening here, and the door opening for the bedroom door. This is going to be for the bathroom door. We're switching it. We make this the master bathroom, so we're going to actually frame this out. Put a barn door here, so I just start framing the opening. Pretty simple. It's all just coming out of my head. So. Well, guys, unfortunately, it's time to go. It is Monday, and we've been here a couple days. But, you know, jobs and regular life are calling us back. So, we got to hit the road. But we'll be back again next weekend. And we'll be doing it all over again. Something new. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.